When a TV's COF connector burns out, it can lead to various display issues, primarily affecting the picture quality. A common symptom is a black stripe or area on the screen, potentially accompanied by other visual defects like color distortion or discoloration. In severe cases, the TV might show a completely black or blue screen, or even snow-like patterns. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Symptoms. Black stripe or area. This is a very common sign of a faulty COF, indicating a break in the connection between the display driver and the screen. Color distortion or discoloration. The heat generated by a failing COF can affect the LEDs, leading to inaccurate colors or washed-out appearances. Black or blue screen. In more severe cases, the COF failure can prevent the screen from displaying any image, resulting in a blank or blue screen. Snow or static. A burnt-out COF can also cause static or snow on the screen, similar to what you might see on a very old TV. Causes. Overheating. COF connectors can fail due to overheating, especially if the TV is left on for extended periods or if the cooling system is inadequate. Manufacturing defects. Sometimes the COF itself might be faulty due to manufacturing issues. External factors. Moisture or physical damage can also contribute to COF failure. Troubleshooting and repair. Visual inspection. If you suspect a COF problem, carefully inspect the connector for any signs of damage, such as burning or discoloration. Testing with a multimeter. A multimeter can be used to check the voltage at the COF connector. If the voltage is incorrect, it could indicate a problem with the COF or the surrounding components. Component replacement. In most cases, the faulty COF needs to be replaced. This is often a complex repair that requires specialized tools and expertise. Professional repair. Due to the technical nature of the repair, it's generally recommended to seek professional assistance from a qualified TV repair technician.